Hey guys, this is Tiffany with DeonElise Designs. This is just a quick video on how I slice to print in Photoshop. So you just want to go to your slicing tool, and I'm going to slice in 2 because I do have the F570 printer so I can print larger. If another video is needed to print on a 13 by 19, just let me know and I'll go ahead and create another video slicing more than just the 2 that I currently did. So here's my second slice. And if for any reason you make a mistake, you can always hit delete and take it away and go back in and redo it. So once you have that done, you want to go back over here, right click and go to the slice select tool. And you want to hit shift and click in the top box, and you see that yellow box around it. So what you want is everything to have the yellow box around it. So because this was the last one, this one already has that box. And then you want to go to file, export, and you want to go to save for web. And once it comes up, these are just the settings again that works for me. I have everything up here set, so just look at my settings up here. The only thing that I change when I come on this screen would be my percentage. So for some reason, I found that 24% works for me and my printing. However, it may not work for you. So if you print it out and you see that it's not as big as your shirt or it's too big, then you can adjust your percentage when you're saving your slices. All right, and for me, I'm just gonna go YouTube test 2 because I already had one that I just previously did and save. All right, now that you have it saved, you go up and you want to go to open. And you want to go to the file that you have it saved in. Mine, I always make folders, so I have a folder for it. So you want to select the first one, which is this one. And if you hit control, you can select all the ones you need to open up. Now, what I do is once I open up my 2 individual sheets, I always go back and I make sure that when you add up my 2 individual sheets, that it equals up to what your whole image is. So let's say this is 4426 by 19.1. So when you add the 19.1, you should get, with the 16.25, you should get this total or very similar to it. And then you want to just go in and print from there. Depending on the printer you have, that would all depend on your print settings. But I can go back and do another video showing you guys how to print off of a 7710, which would require more slicing, and the F570, which you can do with just 2 slices. And this is for a extra large shirt also.